going to Notre Dame Cemetery. Now, my family's buried there, but my objective is to fly the drone and to practice. I don't have to worry about anything. I can't hurt anyone or anything, really. What is they going to do? Pop out of the ground and go, "Would you stop hitting my stone?" Yo, Notre Dame Cemetery. You know, that thing never changes. It always looks the same.
Turn right, then turn left.
The graveyard never changes. Of course, it's always going to be the same. And I'm going to drive all the way to the back, kind of. I remember how to get there.
Turn right.
I don't need this on anymore. Okay, let's see. Where can I go here? I want to go way out of the way. Nobody gets bothered by me. Just in case there's people around. Douglas. You know what Douglas? I don't. Yeah, I got a lot of family members in here. And still some still gonna go in here when they pass away. Boy, I really forgot how to get around in here to where you gotta go. Hey, that's a nice monument down there. I'll go take a look at it after. Okay, let's see. Here we got McCormack. Mac, not Mick. McCormack. Stairs up to his tombstone. Oh, well, it's a family plot there. And there's an area here where it's all the nuns. It's all nuns. I don't remember where. I'm gonna go this way. There's people there, so I can't go down there. They're at the cemetery, cremation spot down there. But I can go down here though. Yeah, right here. Oh, you ever get full back here? Oh, no, seriously, dude, I'm full back here. Oh, this way. My grandmother is buried either straight ahead or more to the section on the right there. I don't think this is a road. This is not a road. I don't want to be disrespectful, but I can park here though. So, it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out the way I thought it was going to. Okay. This is big one. It is. Okay, so we're going to cut that way. Maybe not. I don't know when my video shut off, but it did. No, let's give this a shot. I need to put it in gear first. Okay, guys, I lost my I lost my drone. I don't remember which tree. It was around here somewhere. Let's go see if I can find him. Okay, I know it has to be around here somewhere. Okay, let's go try and find it now. Well, could take a while. Save the gas. Oh, I guess let's check this area first. I think it was the tree back there. That tree. Because it's got to be in line. Yeah. Oop. Got my sunglasses. Okay, let's go through here. It's black against green grass, so hopefully I can find them. For some reason they call him Richie. Too bad it's not like my dog. Go, Richie, come here. Oh, oh boy. Oh, I'm on me here. Sorry, folks. I didn't realize I was on me. Okay, so somewhere in this vicinity, around that big tree there. So anywhere around here, I lost the drone. Oh God. See, as you can see, I'm not really a master at flying the drone. That's why I came here, because then I won't hurt anybody trying to learn how to fly the thing. And oh boy. Let's see here. It's gotta be around here. Oh, I don't think I landed in the garbage can. Wait, I don't know where to look. Okay, so I'm gonna go here like this, and okay. You know, I saw him come down this area. I'm pretty sure it was in front of the tree, not behind the tree. Oh, come on, Richie, where are you? Is that up there? Oh, no. No, that was. It doesn't help, it's freaking black. And small. Very, very small. Oh, what an idiot I am. I tried to get it to come back, but it didn't. I saw it here. I'm dead sure it was this tree. Oh, brother. Okay. Let's go a-walking. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and I'm gonna look around.